Still staring at a blank page, trying to write your product description? You're definitely not alone. For many digital creators, especially those selling Notion templates, Etsy listings, or downloads on Shopify or Gumroad, writing the product copy is often the most stressful part. You know what you want to say, but getting it right, clearly, persuasively, and fast, can be overwhelming. It's not just about describing what your product does. You also need to convince someone it's worth buying. And that takes time. But if you're juggling product creation, design, customer service, and marketing, it's easy to fall behind. You either rush the description or skip it altogether. And that can hurt your sales. That's exactly why we created the Product Descriptions tool inside AI Creator Max. It's a simple, smart shortcut built for digital product sellers like you. With it, you can turn a few details about your template or digital product into a clear, compelling description in just seconds. No need to overthink or write from scratch. Let me show you how it works using a real example. Say you're selling a Notion template for freelancers. It includes a client tracker, an invoice generator, and a clean project dashboard. It's fully customizable and beginner-friendly. You want to highlight keywords like freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. Your tone is professional, and your language is English. Inside AI Creator Max, just search for product descriptions, click on the tool, and enter those details. Once you hit generate, you'll instantly get a clean, sales-focused product description you can use right away on your Etsy listing or Shopify product page. You don't even have to be a copywriter. AI Creator Max handles the tone, the structure, and the flow, all while making sure your product sounds clear and helpful. And because the results are editable, you can make quick changes if you need to. Every output can be rated with one click. You can copy the result directly to your clipboard, save it to your email, or edit it on the spot. And if you ever want to revisit an earlier version, the History tab on the sidebar has everything you've generated, organized, and saved for later. It's one of the easiest ways to save time and boost sales, especially if you're managing a growing digital shop. Instead of spending 20 to 30 minutes writing a description, you get a polished draft in seconds. That means more time to focus on what you actually enjoy, building great products and connecting with your audience. So if you've been stuck rewriting your Etsy descriptions over and over, or worse, avoiding them altogether, this is your sign to make it easier. Try AI Creator Max today. It's free to start, and the link is right there in the description. And here's a quick bonus tip before we go. If you sell digital products, this tool will save you hours each week, and that time adds up fast. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.